this is all a bit, it all come together in the end, but it's all a bit funky-dunky at the moment. So, basically I'm sanding these back. I don't like this colour scheme, and I need to create something which is for me and my style, so I use it and enjoy not only my home, but kind of the fruits of my labour and all the hard work which goes into maintaining the place. I should use it more than I do. And to do that, it has to be a safe reflection on me. It'll all come together. That is coming off. It's just not dark enough. So I either wanted something light or something a bit darker. So I'm just going to sand that back. And then, yeah, it's experimentation basically, and that is not the right colour for me.
Compare high water, maybe I don't know you at all. Maybe I just like how it feels with our backs against the wall. Maybe I'm reckless, maybe I play the fool.
Hello everybody and welcome back to the Chateau, and what you must be wondering, what the hell am I doing? Well, that will become apparent. I will explain what's going on right now and the devastation to the terrace, but I need to shoot out and go and see somebody. It's a nice day, as you can see, and I've got a lunchtime appointment, so I am going to jump on the motorbike, go and have this appointment and see someone, and then I will explain all once I'm back. Okay, I'm back from my trip, and now I guess I need to explain what is total devastation. So, where do I start? Right, the outdoor sofas. Not my colour scheme. I made those 10 years ago. They're still good. They're good quality. Could do with a couple of little bits and pieces being used. I want to change. So they're a style that I love. I made them, but they're not a colour scheme I love. Same as the little tables. And when it goes to colour scheme, obviously these are just IKEA things. I made this big thing. And I made the bar. If it's not my colour scheme, my style, doesn't feel like my home, and I don't use it, and then it gets left for weeds, etc., to grow because I have no desire to use it. And also, what's the point in all of this if you're not going to use it? So, look, and that's good, isn't it? That's more filled, sanded back. I'll get that out of the sunshine in a minute. This is going to be all sanded back in a different colour scheme. I've got to fix some outdoor things, but the big thing, the bar. Right, let's, why am I doing all that? Wasn't the style I wanted. It is going to stay. However, can we all see how unstraight this is? Okay, and that is because all of these uprights were there when I started, so I just built something around the uprights. And that was a very, very long time ago. Which, again, not necessarily my style, or maybe my skills have improved since then, who knows. However, I want to make it a little bit better. So, there will be something coming back in this place, but the trip that I just had, which was out to see Ryan, went on a little longer than I was expecting. It's a bank holiday weekend, and I can't go and get the wood I need for this. But that's fine, there's plenty to be getting on with, and I better actually just explain something. Okay, so why have I gone across to look at Ryan's house, and why am I doing all this stuff at the Chateau in this way? Ryan's house, he mentioned that he was selling it, and it would be an interesting project to finish, because it's completely different from the Chateau, and it's on a much smaller scale, which means I get to do every aspect of a renovation within a reasonable amount of time. And that's quite important, because when you deal with something as big as the chateau, you never really do that in such a speed, especially by yourself. So you tend to get a bit disheartened at how slow things are going, even though you're doing quite well sometimes. Also, it's not my home, so having the motivation to go do the work, come home, enjoy your home, and not feel like you live and work in the same place are appealing. Briefly, no, it's not the project I had mentioned previously. I'm still waiting for the notaires to deal with that. That will become apparent quite soon. And what I'm currently thinking about at the moment is how quickly. One, it's a 50-minute drive from my house to Ryan's place, and while that was a beautiful thing to go and do on the motorbike today in the beautiful sunshine, not so much in the middle of winter when you're doing it in the car and you don't want to get up first thing in the morning. So I do have to have a mild think about it, just because, as appealing as it is to go and do something and get something done quickly, no point in taking something on which won't get done, because it's another problem as opposed to another solution. So there's thoughts to be had, and it's a serious contemplation, or it's it's also when it would fall into place based on the other project, which is waiting for the notaires to deal with. What am I doing at the chateau? And that also ties in with sort of why I'm looking at the projects. Well, guess what? This place has not felt like it is my home for a very, very long time, and that definitely comes across in my work ethic. It's very difficult to get motivated if you don't love something, and it's not the same as loving it. I mean, right now I'm sat on the terrace, sun's out, or should I say going behind the trees. You're listening to all the animals, you're looking at things floating around. I've got a duck over there out of shot behind the camera that way. I can see little moorhens floating around there. It's a beautiful place. Being beautiful is not the same as loving it or using it. And what I'm trying to get done here is redo a terrace in the way that I want it, in my colour scheme, and laid out the way I want it, so it's a place that I can come through the summer months and enjoy myself with my friends. And then, of course, we all know that we're not in the south of France, so there will be terrible, terrible days, which means you get to go inside and go and do something similar on the inside. But the idea is slowly make it my home. And that does tie in with the possibility of another project, because getting to go out and do something else brings motivation into home. When you are energetic and busy and always got something going on and have to be somewhere which isn't home, just like when I worked in London. I mean, I got more stuff done when I did a full day's work in London when I got home than I do now in an entire day. Because you were already up, you're already motivated, you're already doing something. And whereas here it's very easy to find a reason not to do something because you don't want to. So I'm trying to eradicate the ease of finding a reason not to do something at the same time as the desire to find a reason because I want to get it done. So that explains that one. So it's not just something for clicks or something. It's an interesting thought. I just genuinely, and I did see some of the comments on Ryan's video. I genuinely, people saying it'd be lovely to see it finished and for me to finish it. Thank you all for those comments on Ryan's video about it. Nice. But I genuinely need to think whether it is too far away from here for me, with that commute, which would essentially, I wouldn't be starting work on that until the end of September. That's sort of how long it would take with the notaires and the legalities over here. At the same time as the style of building, because I've always had a bit of a problem when I'm renovating something, which I've done lots of in the UK, is that if I couldn't picture myself living in it, I sort of struggle a little bit with having the vision to finish something, and that would not be my sort of place to live in because it's got no garden. So that's where I'm at. I'm having a whale of a time destroying my terrace, and all I ask you at the moment, ordinarily people film things in a very linear way, so you see the start and then there's some work and then the conclusion, and right now I'm just destroying things, so you're seeing the start, a lot of destruction and a little bit of work in between. So stick with me and hopefully you will see it all come together. Now, it's Bank Holiday weekend, the sun is out, and I am going to go off and take the motorbike out for a lovely cool blast in the evening in the beautiful French roads. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.